What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so in this video we have this Mazda B2000 truck, and of course we don't have everything put together yet. Alright guys, and right here we got the ignition coil, and we do not have a battery yet. Alright guys, so right here we have the spark plugs and the spark plug wires, but actually we're missing one spark plug wire right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get a new one very quickly. Alright guys, so right here we got the, can you point it? Alright guys, so right here we got the battery. Alright guys, so right here we got the battery.
No,
that is
just restart.
You want to just start it real quick? See if it'll start. We're gonna see if this thing can start real quick. Alright, so just stay over by the engine. Just in case it blows up.
Just in case.
Yep. Alright guys, so we have just got completely done. We have this truck in neutral, and right now we're really just going to see if we can get this thing to start. So we're just going to go ahead and have Mason, the Offroad guys, turn this thing over, and really it's just a moment of truth right now. No way! Keep going, keep going, keep going! Oh yeah! Alright guys, so right over here, we got the engine. We showed you guys this the other day, but actually, I did not tell you guys this. I did not notice this till I started riding it, but as you can see right here, that's the exhaust, and we literally have to drive the truck with both the doors wide open because it just smells like exhaust and it's terrible in there. So, there's really nothing we can do about it. We're just probably not ride it that much, but yeah, that's really it. Whenever we had my cameraman here try to start it, we literally had a huge flame coming from like under the bottom of the engine here. So I'm kind of scared to start it again, but yeah. All right guys, so we actually got this thing to start yesterday, but actually today we were struggling with the clutch for a little bit, but we actually did get the clutch to start working again. And as you can see in this clip, we were able to drive this thing around a little bit.